Is that enough green tea?
Well, I don't really drink a lot of sometimes.
Those links are over there on the other side.
They look the same.
Oh, yeah, I guess we could try these.
Aren't these it?
You want turkey or the skinless?
The regular one.
The regular one? Like one? I think we ate a whole one last time. No, we did. Not just you. Like both of us. Oh, look at this cheese. Ooh, fancy. What cheese is that? Oh, is that what you wanted? Kobe jack cheese? What kind of beef? Oh, do we need pickles?
Yes.
Which ones? The Velasics, or what do you want?
You see the long ones?
The long ones? No. Oh, the stacks? Something like that?
The
The
ones
stacks?
that are long.
Those are it right there.
here.
Stackers. Velasics. But you want the Velasics? Those are dill.
These taste better on hamburgers.
What do you mean fat cheese?
Are we out of fat cheese? Do we still have fat
Can
cheese?
we do the skinnier cheese? Like this cheese? Like this sliced cheese? What's the difference between that one and the bigger one that you like? What's...
I like my cheese fat. It's okay. Can I get lemonade tea?
Yeah?
I'm gonna be able to drink it this time.
Huh? I think those are called Arnold Palmer's. You want yogurt? Do we need yogurt? Ooh, sour cream. No, we still have some, right? But do I need sour cream or? Well, just because you don't like it don't mean I can't have none. Huh? Hello. Hello, Clarice. June, July. Let's do this one. July 4th. Yeah, here. You unload it. Lily, come on. Help your mom out. Yeah, the light's on. She's not gonna tell you that. Hey guys, today I am having some sushi from Winko. We did some grocery shopping. I'm hungry. What is this? Crunchy shaggy dog. There we go. It looks pretty good. Oh, does yours have shrimp too?
No.
Oh. You want some? You want some of this one? You sure?
I'll eat whatever you want.
I might eat it all.
You got it.
What is them? What do you mean you'll doubt it?
Both of mine?
Is it up? It has a little kick to it.
It's the same as yours with that shrimp, and it has celery.
That one?
Yeah, but it's kind of spicy.
It is, yeah, it's a little spicy. This looks really good. Yeah. What are you making me for dinner?
Barbecue pizza.
Me go first.
Hold it, eat one.
Uh-oh, it's not working. There it goes. What I wanted. I had a little technical difficulties. Here we go again. This is actually pretty good.
When you're eating them, How do you pronounce it?
Qdoba. Cordoba. You want to try it?
It says Mexican food.
Yeah. But I think they're still like carry out.
And then they have that. I don't know if they still have it anymore. There's like a sushi thing over there.
It's called King Sushi Bar and they sell pho. What about Crab Station?
I've never had crab, and you make it seem like it's the greatest thing known to man.
You don't try it. We had it at Sandy's a while back.
You never told me about it. Y'all just kept me out of the dark.
No, it didn't.
Y'all kept me in the dark. I remember I smelled something good because I was with Aiden. And then I went up and y'all are eating crab. And then I was like, wow, they didn't even offer me any.
Because you never want to eat it. That's what I should have asked you. But you never want to eat it.
I feel betrayed.
How does that make you feel betrayed?
Because y'all were sitting there eating and it smelled so good and it looked good. And then I was like, I remember who, I forgot
There
who
was so much food.
I asked Gabby, I was like, is there any more? She's like, nah, man, you missed it. It was so good. And I was like, oh.
She didn't even eat it. She had enchiladas.
I thought she ate some.
No, she ate the enchiladas.
She was a part of this. Oh, she's the one who told me that y'all had crab.
Yeah,
She
Carl and
walked
I ate
in.
it. But she didn't even eat any. She ate the enchiladas. Grandma had made enchiladas,
No,
remember?
she's the one who told me that y'all eat crab. I got it mixed up and stuff.
You never want to eat it when I tell you about it.
When have you told me about it?
Well, you want to eat seafood now?
Crap, you say seafood. I'm thinking you mean fish.
Fish is good.
Salmon. When it's seasoned right.
So no first.
I think so.
I almost choked right now.
You gonna chew right?
No, the water, it almost went at my nose.
That's because you burped.
Oh, yeah, that might have been it.
That is why it is.
Either way, I almost died and you were just looking out the window like nothing.
You'll be okay.
Yeah, you're right. I don't want no more. What? I gotta make room for that pizza you say you're gonna make me for dinner. You gonna make me for dinner.
You never know. I might eat it out.
I might. One of these days. I think I've surprised you in the past and I've like ate a bunch.
You haven't.
So we just left the grocery store. We got a bunch of stuff done. I don't know what happened here.
Hello? What's up?
We got an important phone call.
I'm in the car.
Alright guys. Don't forget to share, like, and subscribe. And love you.